Welcome to Best Car Fixes, Audi A4. We have a problem with electrical problems, but now everything is finished. We need to run and diagnose this car a little bit to be sure if everything is good. Let me turn the radio off. Okay, I'm gonna close the car here. Let me see what we have. Say okay. Go back. Home. Maxi. Diagnose. Go by VIN number. Auto detect.
You have them?
Hold on. Okay, no gas. I don't know why the high beam, low beam is no good. So let's see what code we have in this car. Okay, this is the car. Audi A4 S4 RS4 US Canada. Okay, US Canada or can. Okay, 2013, say yes. Diagnose. Auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. That's very fast. New car. Transmission, we have one fault. Brake 10 faults. Access star. This is never been cleared. Media position. Comfort. A lot of codes here. Tire pressure. No gas. Let me see the report. Engine control 1 code, transmission 1 code, brake 10 code, access, air condition, steering, a lot of code. So let's go to the latest one. Engine control function limitation due to receive malfunction value. Transmission, vehicle speed signal, wheel speed from brake control unit in signal impossible. Okay, so transmission is not seeing the vehicle. Brake, tire pressure function limited due to insufficient voltage, lower limit, gear recognition signal, left rear ABS wheel speed sensor mechanical malfunction. Module, left rear ABS wheel speed sensor. Okay, headlight control module, no signal communication. Electrical system module, no signal access authorization. Wow. Function limitation due to voltage, steering column lock control module, no signal access star. Sensor for refrigerant pressure, temperature low. Supply, I don't know this. Those are a lot of codes. Component protection active wear. Rear light, outside temperature signal, airbag, lost communication, function. Wow. Instrument cluster 17, okay, number 17, voltage, gateway, really no signal communication, energy management, supply voltage, heated outside mirror, because the electrical component or gateway or electrical module or vehicle electrical control module malfunction. Sound system, radio no signal, passenger. This car have a lot of code. Radio function limitation, insufficient voltage supply. Okay, I gotta escape this. What I'm gonna do is turn the key off and then erase. Yeah, I can leave the radio out. I'm gonna clear all these codes and then we see what is coming up. one at a time. Now we are here again. Okay, engine 1 code, electronic, central steering column, power steering, brake, parking brake, transmission good, brakes. Okay, so we have couple of code. Let me see the report. Why I'm getting engine. After the line, I'm gonna see function limit due to receive malfunction. Value from where? Central electric. Component protection active, steering column electronic, brake control module message read DTC, power steering, function limit due to receive malfunction value, function limit due to receive malfunction value. Where is this value come from? Component protection active. Wow. So I have to relearn component protection. Component protection, steering column electronics, brake control module, please read DTC. They have U codes. Escape. Let me see brakes here. Trouble code. Left rear ABS wheel speed sensor, electric error in circuit, electronic parking brake control module, please read. Okay, so we have left rear ABS sensors, no good. We're gonna go to parking brake. Parking brake, what he see? Trouble code. Function due to receive malfunction value. Okay, there is a malfunction value. We need to check that one first. Okay. Okay. So we know for sure that we have rear sensor is no good. So we're gonna fix that first, and then we can come back to see what the option is. Right now we have wheel speed sensor not good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.